Since incorporating Stepan's tank mix adjuvants, I've observed a decrease in drift. How do you manage to create such effective products?
Our commercial and R&D teams actively communicate with the formulators and growers to understand their challenges in the field. For instance, we learned that drift is a significant problem in drone applications, so our R&D team tackle this challenge by developing new products. Visit our laboratory to learn more from our resident chemists.
Welcome to the heart of innovation. Our process starts by meticulously screening Stepan's diverse chemistries to shortlist promising candidates for further evaluation. One key parameter we focus on is surface tension or contact angle. Within our laboratory, we use an optical tensiometer to measure these two factors. The low surface tension and small contact angle resulting from our adjuvants indicate their efficacy in enhancing the spreading properties of spray droplets on leaf surfaces. Additionally, they minimize the risk of droplets not adhering to target areas. Our investigation extends to assessing compatibility and dispersibility. By monitoring phase separation in tank mix blend over specific intervals, we determine optimal application durations post-preparation. Foam level also receive thorough scrutiny. Excessive foam during mixing can pose challenges for growers, especially those with limited tank capacities. Furthermore, we stimulate actual spray conditions using wet sieve tests. These tests reveal the likelihood of spray nozzles clogging during field applications. Lastly, our studies delve into droplet size distribution, providing insights into how effectively spray droplets reach their intended target crops.
That sounds very scientific, but how can we ensure that the lab design innovations will work effectively in the field?
Jason will guide you through that stage of product development.
To ensure that our laboratory findings effectively translate into field performance, we collaborate with professional third-party testing companies to conduct field trials and identify the most effective tank mix adjuvants. We also engage with the formulators and conduct third-party field testing whenever feasible. Stepan has 3 tank mix adjuvants, each tailored to meet distinct agricultural needs. STEPGROW MP-ADJ is a multi-purpose adjuvant with superior weighting, spreading, and enhances the performance of active ingredients to improve crop safety. Meanwhile, STEPGROW CT serves as a compatibility agent for various pesticides and liquid fertilizers, potentially replacing alkyl acetal sulfonate with a minimal dosage requirements. Lastly, STEPGROW DSD excels in drift control, spreading, and foam management.
I'm truly impressed. I now understand the meticulous development behind these products aimed to achieve optimal field results. I look forward to seeing more Stepan products being used in our fields.
At Stepan Agricultural Solutions, we are committed to cultivate innovations by developing solutions to help optimize agricultural formulations. We hope to be your preferred partners who listen to your challenges, collaborate on potential solutions, and can scale from laboratory to field efficiently.